Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. Hit the notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a video. And all comments, make sure you leave me a comment. I love reading comments and responding to them, okay? So we're going to go ahead and get started. And today I'm going to be making my banana pudding supreme. To make my banana pudding supreme is very simple. You can either make your banana pudding homemade from scratch, or you can use instant. Just make sure that if you're using instant instant pudding, it's vanilla. Vanilla brings out the flavor of bananas. Don't buy banana pudding, buy vanilla pudding. All right, so we're going to go ahead and you're going to need 2 bowls for this. 1 bowl for the actual pudding, and the other bowl for the actual mix. So we're going to go ahead and put that in there. You're going to need 2 cups of whole milk. We're going to mix this a little bit, and then as we're mixing, we're going to add our pineapple. Now you can use crushed pineapple, or you can buy the pineapple chunks and cut it up. I use the pineapple chunks and then I cut it up some more to make them smaller, and you know, it just adds a little bit of texture to it. Let's go ahead and get this started. After you've mixed this into your blender for a nice good 2 minutes, it's going to be a little bit of a thicker texture. It'll thicken up even more as it gets cold when you refrigerate it. Next, we're going to line the bottom of our dish that we're using. Once you line it with your wafers, your vanilla wafers, you're going to pour this on top. Try to make sure it's down in there because I want it to actually be like a base for it. Start off by scooping it in there so it can kind of make sure it sits down in there. Then we're going to put some banana slices on top. Then I'm going to add some more wafers. Some more pudding. Make sure we get all of the pudding out of the bottom. Now you can also add your banana into the mix if you want to. I like to layer mine. And if you're a gardener, make sure that you don't forget to save your used banana skins. A lot of potassium in that for your garden if you compost. And add some more wafers on top. And now, some cherries. Maraschino cherries, just some jarred cherries. Just gives it a beautiful color and a little bit of extra sweetness to it. Need to make sure we add some walnuts The walnuts only need to be added to the top. Kind of press them, push them down in there a little bit. One thing that I don't like about banana pudding is when people expose the bananas to air. It should be under the pudding to keep it from turning brown. Keep the bananas from turning brown so quick. Alright, and then sprinkle the little crumbs on top and the rest of our cherries. And there you have it. My banana supreme. Pineapples, walnuts, cherries, and that's it. Very, very simple. Very, very good. A little bit of a different twist on just plain old banana pudding. Try this recipe. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you like it. Comment below.